Alright guys, I was thinking how about we go somewhere warm and sunny. Like California, we could hit the beach and do surfing. Yeah, that sounds awesome. Nothing like catching some waves and soaking up the sun. And we could stay at a nice hotel right on the coast. California, that sound lovely, but what about somewhere with a bit more history? I was actually thinking of a place like Edinburgh, Scotland. Castle Museum, a bit culture. Yes, I'm with Emma on this one. Imagine walking to those old cobble street, visiting historic site. It would be brilliant, and I would much prefer a cozy little bit and breakfast to some massive hotel. A bed and breakfast. I get it, but I don't you think a big hotel would be more fun? Room, service, full, maybe even a spa. Exactly. And in California, we would drive down the coast. We all the beaches, maybe even visit Hollywood. Hollywood does sound interesting, but imagine all history we would be missing. We could go on a guided tour through the highlands or see Edinburgh Castle. I'm sure you would love it. And we could stop by a few quaint little pubs for some proper fish and chips. Much more exciting than hotel food, if you ask me. Okay, I get it. So maybe we could compromise, split the trip between the coast and somewhere historical. That way, we would all get a bit of what we like. Yeah, I could go for that. Beach time and some history. Sounds like a win-win to me. Brilliant idea. Sarah, we could do a few days in California and then fly over to Scotland. Base of both would sorted din. We will get a little bit of everything. Adventure, relaxation,